Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is December the 14th and I'm using my new PIP Sniper trading system. Now this PIP Sniper system uses momentum indicator, that's this indicator right here. And when it changes from red to blue or blue to red, this pop-up box will appear right here, either saying the momentum is crossing up alert or down alert. Now that, along with this super signal indicator, which runs off of the 4 indicators at the bottom here, this indicator, the super signal, it really helps the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets. You can either scalp in the 5 minutes or the 15-minute time frame. I don't really recommend the 1 minute, but it is possible. The reason I don't like the 1 minute is there's just too much noise on the 1 minute time frame. But it's great on the 5 and the 15. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the instruments along with the daily trade plan. And then as I go through each and every pair, I put this arrow in here. I do it manually to remind me that I want to be buying and or selling according to the daily trade plan. Now we can take a look at this daily trade plan. This is an expert advisor that runs in real time, and I set it like for day trading. In other words, the 30 minutes to 1 hour, it has a little bit more weight. I want to catch the beginning of the up and down cycles. So basically these 3 all the way up to the 4 hours, there's a little bit more weight on that. Now you can easily change the inputs if you are a swing trader or a position trader. And there is a Word document that shows you how to do that. So as you can clearly see, there's a lot of blue in here, and I did buy everything. Most of them were before 7. And I took 2 later. Some of these were a little bit after. I was waiting for the market, the opening bell and the opening, like I said, of the opening bell of the futures to pick a direction. And in this situation, you can see it's blue, so we're buying. Just to let you know, you need some kind of a daily trade plan. Something like this. It doesn't have to be exactly this one. But you need a pretty good trade plan or you will fail at trading. So now we can get into some of these trades. Pound dollar. The pound was a little bit strong. Still is at the top here. It's bouncing around at the top. So we're buying this pound dollar. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying, as I showed you from the daily trade plan. Now it could have just as easily bounced here and gone straight up. But the market is very random and it does stuff like this. But as long as you know what your trade plan is telling you to do, well, you just follow the cycles. And I could have added another position right here on any of these 4 candles. And that's like 50 pips or so. But I pulled the trigger here. Looking at the money, well, this should be 15 because it pays $10 for each pip. And there it is right there, 15 pips. Times the $10 times the lots paid out $1,500. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Another one I wanted to be buying. Just had to wait patiently for it. That's why the time you see here is 9:46. Opening bell is at 9:30, which is on this candle. And then when I notice that, time to get in the trade. Trading is easy and it's a lot of fun once you have a good system and a good daily trade plan. Dow Jones, let's see, exactly what I said, opening bell, and then I got in right here. And I used a calculator, divided the money by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick, and the calculator says it's 39. As a matter of fact, up to there is 84, but 39. There it is right there, 39 ticks times the $5 times the 10 lots paid out $1,950. Moving right along to another pound trade I did. It was the pound CAD. Here it is here. Wanted to be buying it. Qualified for a great way to trade, as I teach within the videos. And the market, like I said, I thought it was going to bounce here, which it did. And then it did another cycle. But I just had to hang around and wait until it paid out. And looks like on this trade it paid out about 32 pips. And those 32 pips times the money, it pays less than $10 for each pip, times the 10 lots paid out $2,358. Moving on to the next trade, the Russell. Now on the Russell, this pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 32. So let's see where I got in at. Waited for the opening bell, which is right here. Then I got in. According to my daily trade plan, and as I said, it's 32. You remove the last one digit. So it's 32 times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $3,200. Moving on to the next trade, another one that pays $10 for each tick. Crude oil. There was the pullback. Now, I should have waited for the pullback, but not a big deal. There's the pullback. I see it 1,000 times. Daily trade plan said to buy. Qualified for a great way to trade. Got buy signals here, here, and here. So I took the trade at this cursor. Now it pays $10, so looking at the money, this should be 36. 36. And there it is right there. 36 times the money times the lots paid out $3,600. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the S&P 500. Now there's the arrow, wanted to be buying it, and everything looked okay, but I had to wait till the opening bell. Here's the opening bell, so I got in on this candle right here to grab some of those ticks. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and the calculator says it's 105. So from there to there should be 105 ticks. 105. There it is there. You remove the last digit. So 105 ticks times the $5 times the lots paid out $5,250. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Opening bell. Did the same thing as I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. So I got in on this where the arrow is. Let's see. That's your setup candle. Don't you just love this super signal indicator? And there it is right there. Time to get in. And what I did was I took the money and divided it by $20, as it pays $20 for each tick. Calculator says it's 49. So let's go and see. 49. 49. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits, so it's 49 ticks times the 20 times the 10 lots paid out $9,860. So another pretty good day of trading using my PIP sniper. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200, and that's my goal. Every day I trade, I want 200 or more, and today's total worked out to being 308 pips and ticks, and all of those ticks ended up paying out $27,718. So if your system is not producing like my PIP sniper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you look right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages, and I do have a special running at this point in time. If you buy any 2 that you choose, I'll give you 1 of the other 2 for free. Now I recommend you get all 4 of them, as they are all very valuable, and what you need, and you will be needing, is a lot of education to succeed at trading the markets. As you can see on the right side, it's the PIP Sniper system. Individually, they cost $250 each. My system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Threw in a lot of educational material here, and it comes with 2 MT4 templates, the 10 indicators, along with my favorite meter. And of course, on the left here, this is my daily trade plan expert advisor. Has 3 videos focusing on the EA. Now at any point in this video, you can put the video on pause and you can read all of this, as I'm not going to read everything. Now here are the other 2 packages. You can take one of these for free if you so desire. It's the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator. Now once you get your hands on this, you can put this on any system that you choose, and it'll immediately make it a much better trading system. And of course, this one has 3 videos focusing on the Super Signal indicator. And the other package here is how I trade live advanced trading tips. There's over 2 gigabytes. Lots of training videos here. There's 20 of them, about 20 to 30 minutes long each. And I show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading, starting with my daily trade plan, EA. So as I mentioned, there's a lot of training videos in this package, and a lot of training videos in this package, the PIP Sniper. 22 training videos, about 30 minutes long each. So remember what I said many times, you're going to need a lot of education if you want to succeed at trading the markets. So again, you can put the video on pause, read everything here. And of course, if you have any questions, simple, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, send me an email. Here's my email address. Don't forget the underscore. Now, I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we will have a Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And of course, keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.